Tornado D. He went to.
Oh, beautiful.
Diving through the ropes, get him hooked. And a DDT on the concrete. And on the outside of the ring, here comes Candice. Here. All the way to the hoop. She spikes him up.
Classic. Throws the clothesline. Oh! Swinging DDT on.
People have gotten behind Ricochet and Paige love his matches with these women. Oh!
Not again. Another tope. Into a DDT.
It's over the. Oh! Suicide dive on the DDT. Holy cow!
Took too much time. Huh? Into the DDT. Onto the floor.
Ducks the lariat attempt, ducks the back elbow, suicide dive into the DDT!
Here comes Candice! All the way up to the floor!
Flying! Suicide dive! Oh my God!
Goes for the right hand. Now Candice swinging DDT on Paige on the outside.
What's she going for now? Big dive into a DDT on the floor.
Here comes Candice.
Oh! Tornado DDT.
Don't forget it. Candice! Oh, Thomas, no! DDT, I thought he caught her.
From rope to swinger, body around. Suicide dive into the DDT. Ah!
Rail, third time, will it be the charm? Oh, into a DDT!
Oh, look at Candice!
Oh no, here she goes!
Oh, she DDT'd them both!
Here comes Candice LeRae again, the third time. Goes for a DDT this time.
Whoa!
Little spaces, a little bit more open room to hide. Tornado DDT out of the. He thought he was getting a breather, but here comes Candice, suicide dive, Tornado DDT.
The far ropes. Running through.
Oh, and a DDT!
Finally.
Sends him back down, and suicide dive, Tornado DDT up.
Perhaps if Candice can pin him again here. And the third one is a DDT.
Look at the dive! Hits it! Tilt-a-whirl DDT!
Tornado coming in, ducking a lariat. DDT to the floor.